In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from MoneyGram to GCash efficiently and securely. Whether you're sending money to a friend, a family member, or perhaps paying for a purchase, this guide will help you understand the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, begin by logging into your MoneyGram account. Make sure to have your credentials ready, like your username and password. If you're on a public computer or a shared device, remember to keep your login information secure and log out once you're done. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is essentially your central hub for any transaction you wish to undertake. The next move is to head over to the Send Money section. Here you'll find all your transfer options laid out. Locate and select the option to send funds. From here you can choose GCash as your recipient. GCash is widely used in the Philippines as a mobile wallet, making it a highly convenient option for transferring funds. It's important to select this option carefully to ensure everything aligns accurately. After selecting GCash, you'll need to enter the recipient's GCash mobile number. It's crucial to double-check this number to avoid any mishaps like sending money to the wrong account. To be extra safe, verify the number with your recipient before you proceed further to eliminate any possibility of errors. Once you have the mobile number sorted, the next step involves entering the amount you wish to send. Keep in mind the recipient's needs while entering this information and always ensure that it's correct. Double checking is especially important if you're transferring a significant amount. Many platforms, including MoneyGram, allow you to review these details before final submission, so take advantage of this feature. Feeling confident in the details you've entered? Great. It's time to confirm and pay. During this step, you'll review all the transaction details you've inputted, including the recipient's mobile number, the amount, and any fees associated with the transaction. Take your time to thoroughly check this summary page. Once everything looks good, proceed to finalize the payment. Security is always a priority, so be prepared to input additional authentication details like a one-time password sent to your mobile. This adds an extra layer of security to your transaction. Once the payment is complete, the recipient should receive the funds directly into their GCash wallet. Typically, this transaction is quick, but it's always a good idea to follow up with the recipient to ensure the transfer was successful. MoneyGram will usually provide a reference number for this transaction, which you can share with your recipient as proof of transfer and for tracking purposes. Keeping a record of your transactions is not only helpful for organization, but also crucial if you ever need to refer back to them in the future. Thank you so much for joining today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough useful for sending money via MoneyGram to a GCash account. Happy transferring.